How did they get up? There's a pastor who was sitting there, maybe has gone out. When Kasana with my wife Nano.
Sarah Jam, the senior 6. Church
after her senior 6, she was just there at the church. The baby had just begun like 2 years. But he had a lot of challenges. Those are why I told you the way they took away my money. The one who began with is there. There's a way he mistreated me somewhere. When I got Sarah, I introduced her to the workers that teach her. Pastor said, "Is that gave it to me, to her to me, that I can nurture her." And already I told the workers to teach her what to do. After 1 week, and I told her that the radio workers have made their nails. I gave her money to go to the salon and make herself up. After a short while, I took her home. I have women children as by passed through my hands. I started educating children before even married. Most people have passed through my hands. My elder brother. I even don't remember some. My own children are 6. When she came, I called all my 6 children. And now, and went upstairs in the bedroom. I made them sit down and I told Sarah, "You are not the one but my child." And I told the siblings that this is your sister. Life changed and she's my own child. She was not doing like any other worker. Amid this the journey, she got a problem. She got pregnant. Many words were spoken. And one of the people went to report me to the pastor. And they said the pastor has made a girl pregnant. And when is minister revealed? And they made me sit in that meeting. It was so difficult for me that time. I was still young, I also talked a lot. And we separated an understanding child. I asked them, "Were you there when I said to her?" She got lost and went out from the radio. 3 months down the road, she got off the phone. We went to search for her. We got her somewhere working in a kiosk when she was pregnant. After delivering, I told her come back. And she joined that. She has never requested was working with heart up to date. It didn't end there. The child got sick. She got sick seriously. Pastors, I beseech you read the word and explain the word to the people. I was going to die because of Sarah. I didn't know. When the child gets sick, the father had a church where there was a prophet. And the prophet said that child is going to die, started sacrifice her. How would I know? We are praying here on the altar prayers. And she told us. And she told us. And she was. The child is okay. That's the building is there. It was there even before that. The family got annoyed that son has taken away their child. And this last year the same, but that's how we joined each other. They were saying that if he said that you shall kill that man. But I don't see pastors read the word and explain the congregation the word. I knew everything. I didn't talk about it. I've talked it because she has born. We bless the Lord. She was my right hand. She was my right hand. She's the first among the first ministers in this church. She's been there a lot. My English is not so well. As if I did something, I would also just come and explain these things. I asked Naro today, who will be in that position? Whether I want her to just ask me where I am. She was a good disciple. She does not ask. Sarah, I need you. Where are you? Office. Church. Church. Home. There are like 9 months when she was not getting any money, but work was moving. The business of Aaron is not easy. And most especially there are some announcements I don't make. There are some businesses that bring like 100,000, 10 million, but because of my position, I'm like, what do I do tomorrow? I can't manage those. And I leave. I thought of selling off the radio. I thought this guy told me. And if you said it, how will you preach the word? Are you going to live preaching the word? Am I lying? They wanted to buy it. I'm not selling. Whether it doesn't work profits or what, is the one.
Yes, sir. You are going to have one cousin.
Let's thank God for my wife.
Your name,
whatever was
told.
My wife wants me. Even some workers were like, Sarah is my wife. The way she walks not like anyone, but as if she's an own.
Never sound of
I thank God for Sarah. The time I've been with her, she has not disappointed me. I have not disappointed her too. Mr. Mani, thank you for loving your wife. Ebenezer, we married, we get married, we produce, we don't divorce our wives, and women's and we remain here for our wives. You have been a truthful man. You entered in our family. You are in our family. Feel at peace, you are at home. Mary. Feel at peace, feel energetic. If you go before me, I will go before me. And children feel at peace. Come at home every year we have we give gifts to each other. Alice, you know. We are at home. And even my children know you.